Hi. Today we will talk about the FlameLean. We the best reviews for you. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy FlameLean. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing FlameLean. The first thing you need to know about FlameLean is, be careful about the website you will buy FlameLean, because FlameLean is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is FlameLean and does it really work? And the answer is yes, FlameLean works. FlameLean's unique, proprietary formula is the first in the world to combine 19 clinically researched ingredients. The supplement mimics the function of the GLP-1 hormone, helping to slow the movement of food through the stomach so you can feel full for longer, consequently lose weight effortlessly and, most importantly, regain control of your blood sugar levels naturally, without stress, worry or fear. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with FlameLean and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test FlameLean during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the FlameLean, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for FlameLean to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Just take one capsule with your favorite beverage every day, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, FlameLean has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy FlameLean, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you and also hope that FlameLean really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.